Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unfollow someone on Twitch. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in twitch.tv and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Twitch website from which you can log into your account if you haven't done so already by clicking on the login button that you will see at the top right corner. Just click on this button and then use your credentials to log into your account, and once you have logged in, you will be taken into the dashboard from where you can start watching various different streams. Now once you're inside the dashboard, you can click on any video or any user that you are interested in and you will be able to find the follow button alongside their profile. If you tap on this, you will become a follower of this user. Now if you wish to unfollow this user immediately, then you can directly click on the heart icon and you will find the unfollow option. If you click on this, you will be asked for confirmation whether you are sure that you want to unfollow this user. Just click on the yes button and you will immediately unfollow this user. Now if you wish to unfollow multiple users, then from your homepage click on the following option at the top left corner and you will be able to see the various channels that you are following. Just click on whichever channels you wish to unfollow, and then once you open up the channel, hover over to the following button and you will find unfollow. Just click on this and you will immediately unfollow this user. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to unfollow someone on Twitch. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.